Welcome back. Today I'm gonna clean and marinate two small kingfish. Got them in this bowl. Gonna use some salt. And some lemon juice. Okay. I got to clean them inside and out. Like this. Take that out. Wash the inside. Looks like that. Now down by the tail of these fish, you got these things. Got to go. So you cut them off like this. So that's the main thing. Wash them good. Inside the heads, and they check out inside the heads. And I prefer to cut the heads in two. Cooks better in the case when the heads are cut in two, especially if you're gonna escovitch them. It's another tail section, so I cut off these. These have bones in them on the outside. Make it uncomfortable for you to eat. I won't be moving the bones inside. I'll get back to you when I'm about to start the marinating. Okay, the two kingfish have been cleaned. They're about 5 pounds, and I'll be marinating them just with salt and pepper. Got the pepper and salt mix. Now we don't use a lot of salt and pepper in it because the salt will make it very salty and the pepper will make it very hot. So we just use enough to have it under control nicely, not too salt and not too peppery. Okay, so you just sprinkle salt and pepper like that, rub it on just like that, a little. Put some on the inside and rub some on the outside. Just like that. Little on the inside, little on the outside. Depends on where you get your fish. Marinate. Some people, when they're gonna escovite fish, they marinate them and then they put them out in the sun to dry. Don't put them for more than an hour. Other places, got to marinate them and put them in the refrigerator. Some fish are freshly caught and some fish are caught and they have them on the seas for days and other reasons. Okay, I'll get back to you when these pieces are thoroughly marinated. Okay, I've finished marinating the fish, and this type of marinade is the basic marinade for any fish recipe. Okay, little salt and a little pepper. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you.